Hi there guys, in today's video we're going to be covering the basics of the text tool and the vertical type text tool. Okay, let's just go to the intro quick. Just a reminder, these videos can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. You can also look for other software there relevant to the programs we like to use. And then we also do upload videos daily, so make sure to keep an eye there. Okay, now let's go back to the program. Start a new page just. Okay, now first of all, to locate your text, we've covered this in a previous tutorial, but we'll do it again here. So it's here on our left tool panel. If we zoom here, you'll see there's a text tool's got the T on it, and like I mentioned, if any icon has this little black arrow at the bottom, if you click and hold that icon, it'll pop up all the sub items under that menu. So for now, let's go to the type tool. Then if you click anywhere on your canvas, we'll bring up this typing area. So let's put in some test text. Now, like any other object, if we switch here to our selection tool, you can also transform it. So you can move it around, rotate it, or you can also free transform it. And then even after you've transformed it like this, you can still, if you go back to your text tool, you'll still be able to edit the text. Okay, and then also let's say you wanna, because as you see when we move this, it moves all the text. Let's say you want to move it individually to each letter. Then what you can do always is you can either go to the object, and then you go here to Ungroup, and the hotkey for that, as you can see, is Control-Shift-G. Then another way to do that, you can just right click it, and then likewise you can go to Ungroup. Now we can select letters individually and move them around, but you'll see the nice part is if we go to our text tool, we're still able to change these or add more letters to them now that they're ungrouped. And if you like to group them again, you just drag a selection box over all your text. Then you can either go right click, then you go to group, or we go again to object on top, then we go group. The shortcut key for that, as we can see, is Control G. And then it's one body of text again. Then we already covered the fonts in another tutorial, but just a quick overview. A simple way to set it is if we go to our right properties panel here, and then we go to the text properties, which will be this icon with the large A. Then under font, we can go and select different types of fonts. And then let's quickly just cover the basics of the vertical type tool. So then to locate that, we will go to our text icon, click and hold, and then we go to the vertical type tool. Now once again, if we click anywhere on the canvas, we'll pop up our text display area. So then we type in there, you will see now all the text is vertical. But just keep in mind, if you, let's say, press enter, it does not take it to a new line, it will just move it lower. So it's just good to keep in mind. If you want to move it to a new line, you'll have to make a new text and just manually move it next to it. And then yeah, that's the basics on the text tools for now. Just quickly head to the website, and then yeah, and then once again, if you head to softwaretraining.co.za, then you can find more training videos and this one there. You can also isolate it here by software. So if you only want to look for specific software, you can also search on top here. if you're looking for any specific topic, and if you do not find it, you can always request a video here, and then we will make that for you. Otherwise, thanks you guys for watching, and cheers.